Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into RECEIPTJAR app review. So to get started with a quick overview, RECEIPTJAR is a mobile app that rewards users from uploading their shopping receipt available on both Android and iOS platform. The app allows users to earn points by scanning physical receipt or syncing digital one from various retailers. The point can be redeemed for gift cards or paper cash. Additionally, features include a monthly prize draw and a referral bonuses and a occasional survey. And here's the quick trend about this platform. The app boasts a clean and intuitive design, making it easy to use, to navigate, and also to upload receipts. Beyond the scanning receipt, users can participate in monthly prize draw, complete survey, and refer friends to earn additional points. And also talking about the weakness, there are no caps on the numbers of points users can earn weekly from receipt upload, potentially slowing down the accumulation of points. And also receipt must be submitted within 7 days of purchase and meet the specific criteria, which might be restrictive for users or some users. And also some users have reported account suspension or deactivations, especially when attempt to redeem rewards, raising concern about the app's reliability. And also, RECEIPTJAR is primarily available in some selective country, which may be exclude potential users from other regions. And here's a quick background about this platform. The RECEIPTJAR offer a straightforward way to earn reward from everyday shopping receipt. Its useful, friendly interface and the multiple earning revenue make it appealing for casual users. However, limitations like earning caps, strict commission criteria, and a report of account issues suggest that while the app can be useful tools for supplementary reward, it may not be the most reliable primary source of earning. Users should approach the temperate expectation and consider that it's one of the most several tools in their reward arsenal.